Launch code is something that's really cool. And what we do is that we take people that don't have traditional coding education, by coding computer programming, and get them apprenticeships at big companies, at startups, whatever kind of company that they want to do. As long as they have the minimum level of skills in coding, we're able to get them an apprenticeship. Let me explain to you how it works. We started in St. Louis, Missouri. It was a great program, and then it worked so well over there. We got over 150 people jobs in St. Louis in less than 2 years. 90% of these people that became apprentices at companies got hired full-time, and then we got invited to come here to South Florida. Within 3 months, we have recruited 95 companies to join our platform without having any candidates in our pipeline. What companies are we working with? Burger King. Do you guys know how hard it is to get Burger King to do anything in this community? Like, it's impossible. They see the value in this. Carnival, Miami Children's Hospital, Ultimate Software Care Club, Kairos, you know, a couple companies are represented here today. So, how does it work? A lot of people learn how to code online because there's great resources online. If you want to do the whole computer science curriculum from MIT, it's free and it's online and you can do it. I only know of one person who was able to finish it because it's really hard, and but you can. Harvard puts their first Introduction to Computer Science class online, and you can take it. What we do is that we screen people and we vouch for people that have learned how to code through these means and also through maybe doing boot camps, those intense classes that are several weeks long. And we vouch for their skill and their ability even though they don't have a computer science degree, and we're able to get them through the door at companies. Once they're at a company, they get paid an hourly wage while they're in a trial period, and then 90% of the time, our candidates get converted to full-time. We have a lot of career changers. A lot of career changers. We have folks like moms returning to the workforce, folks that used to do one thing, a guy who used to stock groceries at Trader Joe's and was really smart and dedicated and worked hard, learned to code, got a job. It's really that simple. It's a lot of work, but the steps are simple, you know? You have to work really hard, but we're able to get people jobs. So we're just launching here in South Florida. Like I said, we have 95 companies signed up. And starting next week, we're going to open up apprenticeship applications. You all know folks in the community that are smart and either have the training or could get the training and could get these jobs. It would be great if, like, some of you are in this room right now. It would be really great if you could help spread the word and get it out to these people to say, there is this opportunity. Coding is the future. You can get a job in it. You don't need a 4-year degree. We have over 40% of our apprentices so far don't have a college degree. So it's a life-changing opportunity. It's really great. I'm really excited to be here in South Florida, and I'm really looking for all your support. And does anyone have any questions? Launchcode.org, and I have my card if anyone wants to take an answer. Sure.
What are the different types of requirements that you guys are looking for? Because you were talking about the classes that you guys have online. Is there any like guidelines or anything you could like say?
If you go on our website, the basic class that we think is the best is the Harvard CS50 class, which is on the edX platform for free. And actually, we have a partnership with Miami-Dade College, and they're going to be doing a hybrid version of the online content from Harvard and in person at Dade. That's starting as a pilot at Wolfson campus on Tuesday. And hopefully in the summer, we're going to scale to, it's going to be Wolfson and Kendall campus, and then in the fall, we'll come to the North campus as well. Yeah?
What ages are you looking at?
Do you have a pulse? It's like, is that debatable? Okay, no, it's, we've placed people from 15 to 60. So if sometimes there's these kids that are really, really smart, and they just really love coding, and they know this is what they want to do, and they don't want to waste time going to college. They know this is what they want to do. We're able to place these whiz kids. And, you know, 60-year-old people that got laid off and are able to start a new career. Any more questions? Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Hold on. The biggest thing though, guys, is I met Mariana, I met her when she was at Knight Foundation, and we were at a breakfast, and the funny thing is she sat there and she said, I'm not sure what I'm going to do in the community, but I want to do something that's going to help. And now she's working with a very large organization. So don't just listen to her. When we're complaining and we're talking about diversity inclusion, this is one of the major steps we can take, because you're not talking about a free internship, you're talking about an apprenticeship. So when you go to your church and you know that are praying for that next job to come, tell them they can pray all they want, or they can go to launchcode.org and get a new job. So we have this joke internally, you know, God brought us launch code. So this is how we can diversify technology in South Florida. But I really want to say thank you, because it's been very impactful and it's opened up a lot of opportunities. Thank you, Mariana, for coming up.